Hey Liana, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read down below, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my simple everyday. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So as I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the simple makeup look, or how I do my simple makeup look. This is my bag of makeup. I'm not going to use everything because it's just going to be simple eyebrows, lashes, and covering up spots. I only have like 2 spots right there, like right there, and like right here. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys like how I conceal and everything, and it's very simple. It doesn't take more than like 15 minutes. I'm going to tell you guys where I got everything that I'm using. I'm going to tell you guys where to get cheap makeup products, cheap brushes, cheap everything. I'm going to be putting y'all on today, because you don't have to go to Sephora, you don't have to go to wherever to buy all these expensive stuff. Baby, it's the same thing for way less. Okay, so I'm going to be using this concealer, Invisible Clean Concealer from CoverGirl. I got this, I want to say Walmart. Yeah, I think I bought this in Walmart. $7 or something like that. I don't remember. I'm going to try my best to tell you guys where I get everything from, because I honestly don't remember sometimes. Alright, I'm using this brush. I use this in my eyebrow tutorial. If you haven't watched that, make sure you go watch that. I got this from Dollar Tree. $125 plus tax, honey. So I'm going to be using this. This is a concealer brush, which I also got from Dollar Tree. Wet n Wild concealer brush. I'm going to go ahead and use this thing that I can't find the cover for. This is Smooth Finish Chestnut Mariposa Powder. I couldn't find the cover for it, so it's just in that. I'm going to be using, for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this eyeliner. This is a eyebrow and eyeliner dip from, I bought this in Dollar Tree, $125. And this is how it looks. It's black. It's in the shade black. And I'm going to be using this brush that I also bought from Dollar Tree. All my brushes are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Coconut. This is another brush. I'm also going to be using this Conceal and Correct from Dollar Tree. It's in the shade, and this does not have a shade. It's $125, so okay, that's pretty much what I'm going to be using for today's video. If I use something else, I will ensure to tell you guys where I got it from and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the eyebrow dip and my concealer. Speeding this part up only because I did a tutorial on my eyebrows already. I will link that down below in the description box. Right up, but enjoy watching.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me, dawg? I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the pack. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Better love the roads like I love it not. Maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't stop. Won't stop. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spot. Other than family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they staying. Black leather glove, no sequel. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide.
That's pretty much it that I do for my eyebrows. Of course, you know, I'm going to do the makeup, so I'm going to like blend it out and stuff like that while I'm doing my makeup. But now I'm just going to use the CoverGirl concealer and just conceal my spots like there and there and there and do all of that nice stuff. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to really talk to you guys about like where you can buy your makeup and stuff like that, etc, etc. So most of my makeup, well, yeah, most of it like is from Dollar Tree because, well, not really, some of it is from Dollar Tree. You can also buy makeup from Miss A makeup online on Google. Like it's actually a site. Like type Miss A, shop Miss A makeup, something like that. Just type it in on Google, it's gonna come up. So yeah, like you can buy makeup from there. I've never bought makeup from there. I mean, I really want to, but like makeup there is just $1. If you live in the US, it's a US dollar, but I don't live in the US, so for me, you know, they have to, you know, convert it. So I think for me it's like $1.40, something like that, plus shipping. So I could just go to Dollar Tree, but I really want to buy makeup from there. I'm probably going to like a little mini makeup haul because half of this makeup that I'm using is a mom's. So I really want to get some makeup for myself. I'm probably going to buy from there. As for the Fit Me stuff, like the Fit Me, what's this called? Foundation. As for the Fit Me foundation, I think you can get it at like a beauty supply store. I'm not pretty sure. My mommy bought hers. Probably she bought, I think she bought it at London Drugs. So like anywhere you can get like makeup stuff around your area, it's probably most likely going to be there.
2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Better love the roads like I love it not. Maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't stop. Won't stop. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spot. Other than family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you.
Alright, I don't need concealer on my nose, so I'm going to take that off with some tissue because it works. It works. So every time I do my eyebrows, I always accidentally put concealer where it's not supposed to go. So exhibit A. But I'm not going to do it over. So let's just try to fix it like that. Okay, boom. Yes, so we're almost done. I just have to use my Fit Me Poreless Matte Poreless Foundation. As I said before, I'm in the shade 355, which is coconut. And I'm using this brush. I don't know the names of brushes, but I'm using this brush. So if you have a brush like this, use it. You can also use a sponge as well, but I prefer to use the brush.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up.
You know, you gotta add the lashes and stuff like that. I'm going to tell you guys where to get some bomb lashes. Especially if you live where I live, you can't find these lashes anywhere. Like, where I live is so whack. I've been saying this and I'm still going to say it. It's so whack. Probably where you live, you know, you can go to the beauty supply store, find some nice mink, 3D mink lashes. Yeah, not me. I'm not that lucky. Alright, now it's going to be ghetto and use some tissue to get all of this from under my eyes, the excess concealer, because it works. It works. See that? Yeah. It works. Slade, did that. Been there, done that. Okay. So now we're going to use this messy. It's really messy. Oh, this is Pro Powder, by the way. Smooth finish. So this is supposed to have your face looking smooth and nice. This is from, I bought this at Dollar Tree, but it's the brand Ariposa Lux. It's in the shade Chestnut. Pretty sure all of these makeup things that I'm talking about, you can find them on Amazon. I'm pretty sure. It's like a 99.999% chance.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. 2C slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a spin.
No. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using. This is how it looks. I got this. I usually buy my eyelashes from AliExpress in a pack of like 5. I usually buy my eyelashes from AliExpress in a pack of 5, but I really wanted some lashes and I did not want to wait a whole year. I didn't want to wait a whole year for them, so I bought them from Shein when I was buying some clothes. I bought some lashes. It comes with 3 in the pack, and it also comes with one of the things that you use to put the eyelashes on. Pretty sure it's in that bag somewhere. It was really useful to me because it didn't really work. But girl, this was just $5 for 3 lashes. So if you want some cute lashes, I mean, it's not as big as I would like it to be. Cause if you follow me on Instagram, you know I wear some, not really big, but I wear big like dramatic lashes. But honestly, any lash style fit me. I used to wear these little Walmart ones. I wore it on YouTube, and I didn't really like it honestly, but it was the only thing I had, because that's before I discovered that Shein sold lashes. I didn't want to wait 5 years for AliExpress to send me my eyelashes. So I would suggest to buy from Shein, and it came really quickly. Like, it was supposed to come on August 13, and it came like a week after I ordered my stuff, or yeah, about a week. So it came really quickly, and it's good. It's not too dramatic. It's not too dramatic. It's just right. Okay, let me just put these lashes on. All right, we're almost done. We're almost finished, baby girl. Like, but get into it. Like I told you, the lashes really bring the baddie out in you. If you don't have lashes, don't do the makeup, baby. It's not gonna look put together. Okay, now for my lip combo. Okay, make sure your lips are clean like that. This is cute. Alright, so I'm using this Wet n Wild pencil in the shade Simmer Brown 306A. So you're going to align your lips with it.
But it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Juicy slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, there'll always be another time. I'm not even tripping, we'll just see them in the summertime. Oh, yeah. Can't describe the pressure I be putting on myself. Yeah. Really, I just.
And now for the lip gloss, I'm using the Cherry Bomb lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. It gives you a red tint on your lips. For lip gloss though, you can buy it at Dollar Tree as well. Now at Victoria's Secret. Yeah.
Yo, get into it.
Slow mo time.
Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide.
Okay guys, this is the end of this video. This is how my makeup look came out. This is how I do my simple, basic, most easiest, most basic makeup routine. This is how I do my routine. As you can see, it's flawless. I mean, it's on 100 and 200 occasion. Each occasion 200. So yeah, this is how I do my simple makeup routine. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.